This is how to change the manual transmission oil on a Ford Fusion. This should be the same for 8, 9, and maybe 10 if I remember right, but about the same for any manual transmission. If your car has an automatic transmission, this is not for you. This is only for the cool people's club that actually drive a stick. So pull your plastic panel off. There's 6 or 8 10mm headed bolts. Underneath, right there is your drain. 24mm or 15/16, same size, doesn't matter. And then your fill, where is it? Is right there, right side. A piece of 3/8 Flexel air hose works really good because it's really hard to fill that from underneath. So stick your hose in there, fill it from the top. Book says it holds 3 quarts. I bought 4, put a little over 3, pull the hose out, let it sit, equalize out, then you know it's full. Pretty simple. Have a good day. Goodbye.